today I'm going to show the ladies how to go through the process of getting your car maintenance for cheaper. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get ready with me. I'm going to put on some clothes. I'm going to show you what I'm going to put on. Appearance is important. Second thing, you want to get a complete inspection of your car. So you want to go to like a Firestone or like one of those type of places and say, hey, I want a quick inspection. That usually costs about $10. After that, we're gonna go to someone cheaper like Valvoline to get some of the services done. And then I'm gonna show you guys how to change your cabin air filter if you need it, because most of the time us ladies do not realize that we are not breathing in the best possible air in our cars. So come on, let's go get ready, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do your car maintenance a little bit smarter. We're women, so not let them take advantage of you at the places and make you pay a crazy amount of money more. Yes, it is helpful sometimes when you have a man with you, but you can do it by yourself. It's 2025. Let's go. Okay guys, so first stop was AutoZone. From AutoZone, I did get a engine cabin filter. I'll insert the picture right here and the pricing. I took it up to Valvoline where I got plus coolant. The oil change was $79.99. I got a certain oil where you couldn't get the coupon, but if you get synthetic or the conventional, you can always find coupons before you go, and it's usually like $10 to $15 off. And then I got coolant, which was only 60 cents. And because I bought the engine cabin air filter already, they put that in for free because I already purchased the part, which is really nice. So shout out to Valvoline. Y'all go shop with Valvoline. And then I just went into, like I am right now, at Advanced Auto Parts. Cabin air filter, I only ended up purchasing it for $18.33, so I got a really basic standard one. I'm going to show you guys how to put it in the car, but my 3 services are already down: the oil change and coolant, engine air filter, and the cabin air filter. I'm going to show you how to put this on. Okay, so this is the tutorial on how to put your cabin air filter on for Honda cars. All right, I'm going to turn it around and show you guys. So step 1, you're gonna go on your passenger side. You're gonna open this up. Very simple. Then you're gonna press right here and press right here. All right, you guys. So now we're just gonna take, so from this side and this side, we're gonna just pull it out. So right here and right here. So after you press both sides, you're gonna just slide this out and you're gonna look at this. Mine is kind of dirty, real bad actually. All right, so we're gonna take this bad boy out. We're gonna throw this away. Okay, we're gonna put this right here. We're gonna get this one, just the new one. Go ahead and open this bad boy up. I only got one hand, so y'all bear with me. So this is the new one. This is how it's supposed to look. So where it goes down, so we're gonna put it like this. Okay, fit that thing in there. All right, now we're just gonna put it back in, and it's about to be all done. Just slide it back in. All right, and your cabin air filter is done now. The content creators are just new subscribers, or people in general who are just watching. Thank you so much for coming and spending some time with me today. All right, bye you guys. My name is Jada, and it's nice to meet you.